we change the world. We defend the future of our nation and our allies. We deliver air power. Our strategic change the world by training 65,000 airmen every year to be pilots, maintainers, civil engineers, logisticians, nuclear operators, to be airmen. Combat capability starts here. Air power, anytime, anywhere.
Welcome to the Bloody 100th in Team Mildenhall. It has long been said that the purpose of any profession is to serve society by delivering a necessary and useful service. Most professions serve individual clients. However, in the profession of arms, our military serves a collective client, the nation and her allies.
But it lives on in us.
Today, as we stand on the shoulders of giants, we stand alert and on guard in this theater, ready to conduct tanker, special operations, and intelligence missions at a moment's notice.
Defend, deter, and project air power today. The Bloody 100 and Team Mildenhall serve a society that spans 91 countries and 20 million square miles. Our service provides a gateway to Europe, the theater's sole Air Force Special Operations Wing, critical ISR capabilities, and boasts the honor of the only gas station in town. Put simply, people need us.
To say that the brilliance is in the basics. While the mission and our promise to America and her allies is anything but basic, we stay grounded in our rules, procedures, doctrine, and our values.
We are proud, vigilant practitioners of the profession of arms. We became practitioners of this sacred profession when we raised our right hands. And today, we deliver on that promise, ready to execute.